you're watching this, chances are you're either living in this gorgeous place called the Bridges or keeping an eye on this market. I'm Avi Horowitz with eXp Luxury, and every month I bring you real-time market updates from the Bridges, Boca Bridges, Lotus, and Seven Bridges, four of the most sought-after gated communities in South Florida. Only one home sold in the Bridges this May, and it sure was a standout. This one sold in only 6 days. Proof that great presentation, strong features, and the right price point command the results. 8437 Hawk Gully Avenue, a colonnade model, sold for $2,075,000. It was 5,031 square feet. That comes out to $412 per square foot. And yes, only 6 days on the market for this one. But it did need a $51,000 price reduction to get that to happen. Located on a quarter of an acre cul-de-sac with no neighbor behind. Interior features included a grand primary suite, en-suite bedrooms, Viking and Sub-Zero appliances, whole house generator, and a 3-car garage with an air conditioner. Outdoor living was spectacular with a 20 by 40 giant saltwater swimming pool, travertine patio, and lush, professionally designed landscaping. While activity was limited this month, there was only one sale. This shows serious buyers are still in the market and willing to move fast if it's the right home. Nice upgrades, priced well, always sell fast. That's your Bridges Market report for May. If you like seeing what's sold in your neighborhood every month, the prior month, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next market report. These updates are here to keep you informed and ready to go. Whether you're buying, selling, or just watching this market shift, I'm Avi Horowitz, and I'll see you next month with the numbers from the Bridges, Boca Bridges, Lotus, and Seven Bridges, because the data always tells a story. And if you found that this information is valuable, please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you very, very much for watching.